How to check order history on Facebook. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can check order history on your Facebook. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, head over to your Facebook. After you head over to your Facebook, you will see the menu on the bottom right. Tap on menu. Now you need to go to the settings. You can go to settings from the top right gear icon or simply scroll down and you will see settings and privacy. You can tap on the drop down menu and after it drops down, you will see orders and payments. Tap on orders and payments and after you tap on it, you will see recent activity. Now in recent activity, you will see everything that you've done and yeah, you will be able to see your history too. After you do that, you can go to the shopping cart icon on the top right and under here you will see all of the items that you have bought or all of the items that you've ordered. So yeah, that is basically how you can check your order history on Facebook. That is all for this video too guys. Thanks for watching. If you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos.